Good girl, packed up. Try to make sure my hair looks good before I start the video. What's up, everyone? Well, we're at the off-grid property today, and we're 6 days into living on the road until Expo West. We're heading into Colorado today. We're gonna probably shoot to Durango, do a little 7 hours. Quite a bit of rain, but not that much. Not enough to get any flowing water. My little gate right there. I'm excited too because my brother and his family just moved to Denver, so really want to go visit them and stay with them and hang out. I gotta take this jacket off now that the sun's out. Not chilly anymore. You guys, you gotta go Colorado. She really does love looking out the window, don't you, girl? Only tracks on the road today are cow tracks. That's funny. I was like, oh, they just graded the road, but nope, there's the grader. He's still grading. So yeah, they do grade the road here. We've got wild horses. Hey-o, you guys look beautiful. Excuse me, though. Yeah. They're not moving. Way cool. Look at that. We got water. Got to give Fries a shout out too on the free fill up. Thanks, Fries. My name's Philip. All right, goods. You need a little break, huh? Let's stop in this nice little cruise off of the highway. Just look at this cool trail. This is fun, hey? I wanted to stop already, but trail's neat. Gotta drive a neat trail, you know? To start to look like Utah, and then we'll be back in the forest in Colorado in no time. Could have been. You still feeling like a happy dog? Happy dog, happy dog. That's a happy dog. Isn't it? Hi. She likes this stop. Good stop, eh, Codes? She's like, yep, another opportunity to get all dirty. I love it. So Coda and I pulled into this spot right here when I was full-time, probably the third day ever that I was full-time on the road. And we thought about camping here, but it was way too close to the highway. And we were right about that call, but check this out, you guys. Check this out. This is crazy. Come on, Coates. Come check it out. Be super careful, okay? Hey, be super careful. You remember this spot? Hey. Crazy cliffs. And then there's this peninsula here. So there's all this stuff. Oh, yeah. Crazy cool cliffs, huh? Boom, out to there. So some crazy Red Bull Rampage mountain biker might be like, hey, we can make a line down here. You could drop this. I bet you I could drop down this on a mountain bike and not die. I would crash though, but I could probably manage to not die. I'm that good. Coach, come here. This little point, it's so cool, right? You're just like, wait. All right, enough breaks. We gotta crack some miles out, Phil. All right, so I haven't really talked about plans at all. That's because there really aren't any. So we're rolling into Durango right now, and I have a camp spot picked out, just something I found on Overlander. I've never been there, but talking to Elevated Overland on Instagram, we've been following for a couple years now, his amazing Toyota Sunraider builds and stuff like that. He's in the Durango area, and he just messaged me now, like, maybe I could convince the wife to come stop by your camp spot. So it's like, if we had planned this, it'd be so lame, but he's, you know, I'm like, oh, I'll be there tonight, and oh, well, maybe we'll stop by. Same with my buddy Josh. I found out I camped with him this past weekend, and he's in Durango too. We're gonna be meeting up with Josh probably tomorrow. He's fly fishing until about noon. So we might head to Ouray with Josh on Monday, and Ouray Monday. And yeah, we'll just let the plan develop from there. I really like doing it this way, but I am reminded that it kind of means you have to plan more every single day, and you have to be like, well, what am I gonna do? Because if I don't plan, I'm not doing anything today and tomorrow. So it is nice to have plans sometimes, but it's nice to do this also. Well, we are in Colorado, if you can't tell. We got big old trees, and it's just beautiful. It really feels like Colorado here. The first little bit of Colorado is not much different, but this is neat. Huh, Codes? He just wants to play with those cows. Only like 10 miles, but Google says it'll take about an hour. It's probably pretty rough, Codes. Buckle up for safety. And just to welcome us, we've got a deer. Hi, Deero. Thanks for the dearest welcome to Colorado. Oh, wow, they're right there. Cool. Hey, Deero. Awesome. Another deer friend. Saw the deer, now she's all on alert. It's okay, maybe we'll see another, Bubbas. It's okay. Wow, this spot is beautiful. We could camp right back there. There's an open spot. There's a few people off the road, but there's plenty of open spots. There's one right here too. Oh, this is sweet too. Man, all right, it looks like nobody's been through here except for us. So we'll see what's up here. Looks like an empty spot. The other spot's up there a little higher on the mountain, which is cool, but it's another 6 miles. And we just really want a nice spot in the trees at this point. Just a one-nighter probably. Well, this is our home for the night. Let's level this. Mud's all fun and games until you gotta go touching it to open your stuff. Ugh. Alrighty, home sweet home. Bumpity bum. Where are you, camera? Where'd you go? Where'd you go, camera? Oh, there you are. Just kidding. But this is the worst part about mud and lifted trucks. That goes right there. Because I go to get something and I don't even notice, like, just mud everywhere. I hate mud. I've been battling mud this whole week. Is that cow coming towards us? You better get out of here, cow. I don't want to mess with you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. He stopped. He's staring at me. The cow is coming for us. Like, Coda's not going to be happy when you make it to our camp spot. Like, really? I'm trying to set up camp, relax, and you're here now? Oh my gosh. All right, we'll leave Codes in the car because she would chase him. Hey, what are you doing, bud? You get out of here. This isn't your spot. It's taken, okay, cow? The spot's taken. I know. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Huh. Can't hang out here. You too. I'm sorry. This is... I don't want to hear it. This is public land. I got here first. You really want to keep talking about this, cow? I don't know what else to say, okay? Back it up. Go. Go. What's the thing you say to cows? Like, yeah. Get. Yeah, girl. Well, I've at least stopped them, but they're not moving. Setting up camp. This one's like coming right at us. There, yeah, you follow him, okay? staring at Coda in there. You gotta get out of here. Oh, whatever. Gosh. Oh, home sweet home, right? Oh. Oh yeah, that's what you gotta do. Go! You gotta get behind him. Go! Go! That's what I remember. My buddy lived on a ranch. Go! Come on, go! All right, you're pretty much gone. They're like, I don't know what the drama's all about. I thought maybe we could be friends. I saw you on YouTube. Cows. All right, we're done, right? We'll see you later. That was a good hang. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing my thing. Cows are so weird. Now they're just staring at me. Cows, go! Whoa! Almost just slipped. Oh my gosh, how ironic. Almost just slipped in a cow pie. Well, that's funny, isn't it? Dang. Oh, the crock got all pied. Man, we're just not having any luck staying clean out here. I'm a mess, you guys. I got poop on me.
My dog's like, wait, are you
right? No, you gotta follow. Go. See you guys. But yeah, so that was Patrick from Elevated Overland. Just had a blast, and we're gonna go. We've got an epic plan for the weekend, going through Silverton and Imogene Pass. Imogene Pass, he called it. Is that how you say it? I don't know. Ending up in Ouray. And yeah, I'm just super stoked. They said this is like their awesome run, and yeah, that's what I was waiting for. Go on an awesome Colorado Mountain Pass run. So we're going tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Comment, let me know what you think. Do all this stuff. The only question is, are you down to mine?